Have you ever had this issue that you don't know where to position your stop loss or take profit in different markets? By the end of this video, you'll be able to enter a trade with confidence while knowing how to set accurate take profit or stop loss. So today I'm going to take you through how to calculate pips for all financial markets accurately. Number two, I'll show you how to use everyday tools to make your work easy as a day trader. And number three, I'm going to show you practical examples on how to calculate your pips and to set your take profit and stop loss from almost all financial markets accurately, and that will enable you to trade with confidence. So let's jump right into it. What is a pip? The smallest meaning of a pip in Forex is that it represents the smallest price change or movement in the exchange rate of a currency pair. What is a pipette? A pipette is the smallest price movement that can be observed in the exchange rate of a currency pair. It's often considered a fraction of a pip. Let's take a look on how you can calculate the pips on the gold market. So let's say the price movement of gold has moved with one pipette. So that means we are looking at the second digit after the decimal place. So let's say the price of gold is 3645.51. If it moves with one pipette, the price will go from 3645.51 to 3645.52. What if the price is 3645.52? If it moves with one pipette, what will it change to? It will change to 3645.53. What if the price of gold moves with one pip? That means we are looking at the first decimal place. We are looking at the first digit after the decimal place. So if the price of gold is 3645.53, if it changes with one pip, it will be 3645.63. What about 3545.63? What will the price of gold change to if it moves with one pip? It will be 3645.73. What if the price of gold moves by 10 pip? So that means the price will move from 3645.73 to 3646.73. We are looking at the last digit. So that is number 5 over here. It will change to 6. So from 3645.73 to 3646.73. What if the price changes from 3646.73? If it moves by 10 pips, the price will go from that to 3647.73. What about 100 pips? The price will change from 3647.73 to 3657.73. So let's take a look at crypto. So let's say the market of Bitcoin against the US dollars have moved with one pip. So that means 113,995 changes to 113,996. So we are looking at the last number. So let's look at 10 pips. So if the price of Bitcoin changes with 10 pips, so that means we are looking at the second number. So 113,996 will change to 114,006. So we are looking at the second digit of the price of Bitcoin. What about 114,006? It will change to 114,016. What if the price of Bitcoin changes with 100 pip? 114,016 will change to 114,116. What about US30? If US30 moves with 1 pip, you can see here the first number after the decimal place is what changes. So 0 changes to 1. What about 10 pips? It is the first number, which is 1, changes to 2. What about 100 pips? It is the second number, which is 3, which changes to 4. Let's take a look at Euro USD. If the price of Euro USD, if the price of Euro against the US dollars move by 1 pipette, we'll take a look at the last decimal place. So number 6 changes to 7. What about 1 pip? This is the fourth number after the decimal place. So number 8 changes to 9. What about if the price moves by 10 pips? So we look at the third decimal place. So number 9 changes to 0, which is 10. So 9 changes to 10. So that will be 1.17097. What about 100 pip? So this is the second digit after the decimal place. So number 7 changes to 8. Now let us look at practical examples and tools used to calculate the pips. This is Euro USD chart under 1 hour time frame. Now let's say we are going short. We are going short on this position. Under 1 hour, this is a bearish candle. So let's take our short position tool. We put it at entry, and then the stop loss, we put it on top of the wick, and the take profit, we put it just 3/4 of the wick. Now, how do we know what amount we've put to risk, and how do we know the take profit, the amount that we'll get? Now that is what I'm going to show you. What you're going to do is you're going to look for a price range measuring tool, which is located over here. On the left side of the trading view. On that column, you'll see a price range measuring tool. You can add it to your favorite. Then it will appear on this icon. You just click it, and then you take that price range tool and the price entry. You drag it, and then up to the take profit you've set. That is roughly 4.6 pips. So let us record it and say 4.6, 4.8, sorry. 4. Now, let us look at the amount you're willing to risk. That is 2.9 pips. So let us also write it down to 2.9 pips. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to search for a pip calculator. I will put it down on the description. So over here, you're going to put the amount, the pip amount. Let's start with the stop loss. The stop loss is 2.9 pips. You come here and then you type 2.9 pips. And then the trade size that you're going to use, 0.02. This is the amount that you are willing to risk. Let us increase the lot size. Let's say 0.05. This is the amount that you're going to risk on that position. Now let us put our take profit, which is 4.8. 4.8. Now this is the amount that you're going to get when the price hit take profit. And just like that, it is very simple. So in this website, you can just use the price range tool. You put the pip amount over here, and then you choose the currency, and then the trade size, the lot size that you're going to use, and then the deposit currency. The deposit currency, whether it's Euro, USD, GBP. I usually use USD on my MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So with that position, you are risking $1 to get $2. That is 2:1 risk to reward ratio.